Hello, good morning or afternoon. My name is Felicia. I am an accounting student from Venus University of Indonesia. And today, I would like to present my research entitled The Influence of Environmental, Social, and Sustainable Lending Portfolios on Financial Performance, the mediating role of environmental performance in Indonesia banks. This presentation will cover the background, research question, methodology, research, and conclusion. Next slide. In recent years, sustainable finance has become very important in the banking sector. Banks are not only expected to generate profit, but also to support environmental protection and social responsibility. In Indonesia, banks play a key role in channeling funds through environmental lending, social lending, and sustainable lending portfolios. However, the impact of this lending practice on financial performance is still an important issue to study. Therefore, this research examines whether sustainable lending can improve bank financial performance, especially through environmental performance as a mediating variable. Next slide. This study aims to answer several research questions such as: does environmental lending affect environmental performance? Does social lending affect environmental performance? Does sustainable lending portfolio affect environmental performance? In addition, this study also examines the effect on environmental, social, and sustainable lending on finance performance, the effect of environmental performance on financial performance, and whether environmental performance mediates the relationship between sustainable lending and financial performance. Next, the objective of the research are to analyze the effect on environmental, social, and sustainable lending portfolios on environmental performance, to analyze their effect on financial performance, and to examine the mediating role of environmental performance. The purpose of this study is to enrich the literature on sustainable finance and green banking, provide empirical evidence from Indonesia banks, and offer practical insights for bank management and regulators. The next slide. Next, this study is based on several theories. First, stakeholder theory, which explains that banks are responsible not only to shareholders, but also to regulators, society, and the environment. Second, the Porter hypothesis, which states that environmental regulation can encourage innovation and improve financial performance. Third, sustainable finance theory, which emphasizes that ESG integration can reduce risk and improve long-term profitability. These theories support the idea that sustainable lending can improve both environmental and financial performance. The next slide. Based on the conceptual framework, this study proposed 10 hypotheses in general. Environmental lending, social lending, and sustainable lending portfolios are expected to have a positive effect on environmental performance. They are also expected to positively affect financial performance. Environmental performance is expected to positively affect financial performance, and environmental performance is expected to mediate the relationship between sustainable lending and financial performance. The next slide. This study used a quantitative approach with secondary data. The sample consists of financial sector companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange during 2020 to to 2024 with a total of 105 observations selected using purposive sampling. The data analysis technique used is panel data regression with if-use. Hypothesis testing includes 1. Coefficient of determination or R-square, if-test, t-test, and mediation testing using the Sobel test. Next slide. First, the coefficient of determination or R-square. The research showed that environmental, social, and sustainable lending explain 4% of environmental performance. Meanwhile, in the financial performance model, the R-squared value is 1, indicating a very strong explanatory power. Second, the if-test research showed that environmental, social, and sustainable lending simultaneously have a significant effect on both environmental performance and financial performance. Third, the t-test research indicate that environmental lending, social lending, and sustainable lending each have a positive and significant effect on environmental performance. Environmental lending, social lending, sustainability lending, and environmental performance also have a positive and significant effect on financial performance. Finally, the mediation test showed that environmental performance significantly mediate the relationship between sustainable lending and financial performance. This means that sustainable lending improves financial performance mainly through better environmental performance. The next slide. In conclusion, environmental, social, and sustainable lending significantly improve both environmental and financial performance of Indonesian banks. Environmental performance plays a key mediating role. Sustainable finance is not only a regulatory obligation, but also a strategic tool to enhance bank performance. For future research, it is recommended to use more diverse environmental performance indicators, expand the research object to non-bank sector or cross-country study, and include regulatory and governance variables. Next slide. That is all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I am happy to receive any question or suggestion. Thank you.